Friends, I would like to show you some difference between Zerodha Kite and Kotak New Stock Trading app. There are some major differences in speed and execution. So what I have done, I have taken the positions in both of the brokers, and the positions are live at present. And I have also opened up some applications like Gmail and some Chrome and other applications. Those are also running in the background. And currently I'm using Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which is having 256 GB of ROM and 12 GB of RAM. So obviously it is the high-end flagship phone, so the speed doesn't have to do with the execution of this Kotak and Kite. So let's open Zerodha Kite first. Here is the Kite. Okay, as soon as I open the Kite, you can see that PNL is running like this. See, it is live. Okay, and now I will open Kotak New Stock Trading app, which is here. See, I have opened it up, and see, this PNL is not changing as of now. 2025 is constant. See, this price is changing. This one is also changing sometimes, but see, 2025 is not changing even after 5 to 7. Okay, even after 7 to 10 seconds this PNL is getting changed. Okay, so I don't know whether my SL is hit or whether my target is achieved or not, because it takes almost 5 to 10 seconds to update net PNL. Okay, if I open on this, okay, I will go to market depth. See, first I will see some zeros, then it will come. Okay, one more thing, I will again open Kite. For example, I want to search Nifty 6,650 rupees call. I searched and instantly it is here with all market depth and everything. Okay, and the price is also changing. Now I will open Kotak. Okay, I want to search 16,650. Okay, see, it is taking a lot of time. I mean 1 to 2 seconds of pause, then I will open it. Okay, then also it is loading, and it is showing chart. I mean, what is the use of this chart here? There is no use. Okay, but still they're showing, and the market depth, which is very important, it is being shown below. You need to scroll it down. Okay, and if I press buy or sell, then the trade form will get open. Now here by default they are giving this some settings. I'm unable to change this default settings, by the way. And for example, if I am taking it in intraday, this price will be getting zero automatically. See, for example, I want to sell it at the price of, for example, 75, and then I went down and I selected, oh, I don't want to take it in carry forward, but I want to take it in intraday. So I clicked on intraday, and boom, your price will become zero. So it will automatically get turned into market price. So again I need to click on limit, and then I will click here. After that it will be in limit price. Okay, so as we can see, there are a lot of bugs and so much of lag in the new application. And see, again I will click on positions. See, it takes so much time to get update. See, this M2M is not getting updated. It gets updated every 5 to 10 seconds. You cannot tell this application as a live app. See, now it is getting updated. Okay, whereas in Kite it is just as simple as you search it, you just click it, readily you will get the price, you will get everything. And if you are going to form trade form like order form, then the settings which you make once, it will be saved as default the next time. So next time you don't need to change the settings. it will show the same setting which you have used last time, and instantly you can change everything, and instantly you can see the price and market depth. You don't need chart. I mean, you need it, but you don't need immediately, no. So there is no point of showing chart in the front end immediately. So these are the major difference. Kotak is providing a free intraday trade, so one can choose to go with Kotak, but it's really very difficult with their new stock trading app as well. Okay, one more thing, you have multiple position exit option in Zerodha, so select these two and exit all two positions together. Okay, but in Kotak new stock trading app, you cannot exit all the positions together. Okay, you cannot select these positions, so you need to select it one by one. You need to exit the positions one by one. So that is also a big drawback of Kotak app.